Alright, so it's 2025 and I've been sleeping on content because your girl went back to school, got her master's, and I graduated. So catch me in May. How about that? Okay, so I had to spice up the wall. I felt like it was time to just, you know, switch it up a little bit. So y'all, I had to get my black girls, my melanin queens, my ladies, just to be like inspiration to this wall. They actually turned out really, really nice. Like I was a little nervous. I wanted to add more art to my wall, switch it up, and upgrade it because your girl is back. I'm back. All right, so let's hang it. Okay, so I have an idea of like how I want to put them on the wall, but I got, these are pretty big. If you see me, I ain't a little girl, right? So I don't know, I'm trying to fit all three up here, right? Like, how beautiful are they? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Leave it up to me. I got the wrong size frames, but the frames came with like a picture behind it. Y'all, why I just put it on that top and it just gave it dimension? Don't sleep on your creativity, okay? You gotta use what you got. Yeah. The frames were, I believe, $12. I'm gonna have to check that. And then the pictures themselves, I'm gonna have to tag them, but they were definitely inexpensive because I like to save me a buck. So that's the goal, all three up there. And then I got these lights, and they're so cute. Oh, you don't want to work right now? Okay, there we go. And so imagine, right, up there, all three. You would just give it like another, just add a touch. I'm excited. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my girl over here. This is inspired by SZA, I believe. And this is actually the original painting. I bought it off of the artist. He's so cold with it. Y'all have to go check out his page. But this is maybe like 5 years old. And it's so, I love it. It's going everywhere with me. So, let's get started. So I've realized that I be rigging like a lot of things in life. Like I will hang something by some strings and you would never know, right? I didn't even know this was wallpaper. So anyways, I can't find any nails to save my life, so I'm gonna use like the little the little tacky things, right? And my shoe to knock it in. Now, we don't have time to measure, we're gonna guesstimate, yeah? Don't let me forget I put these on the bed. But do we want butterfly in the, well, they all got butterflies. Which picture we want in the middle? I don't know. And then this, you ain't see, y'all ain't even see this one. Hold on. Oh, with the body, with the back. Come on now. She's giving back cleavage, and I love that. I need to get back in the gym so I can. Yeah. Okay, we gonna keep this one in the middle. Now I think this might be the middle. It will be today. Okay. We're gonna do it based off of the bed, I guess. Okay. This is kind of hard. This is kind of hard. Okay. I'm gonna stick it right here. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Maybe we don't need the shoes. Almost did it. Now, if this thing fall on my head in the middle of, while I'm in the middle of the night while I'm asleep. Oh! I think we did something. Oh, is she kind of, okay, hold on. Oh, wait. Oh. I don't know. Hold on. I gotta look out. I gotta come back there with y'all. She's trying to let me know. Alright, so is this too high or do I need to bring it lower? Because I'm still putting like the lights above it. Like, right?
Okay. I mean, I don't know how far out.
And then I gotta do the 3.
Okay.
Oh yeah, wait, back cleavage going on this side.
You want me to hold it and you see?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, please.
Alright, I can do that.
Don't be looking at them little hooks. Oh, we got the things in here. Y'all supposed to tell me they was over here. Straight forgot.
My hands are ashy.
Welcome, my mom, everyone. Oh. Alright. So. So do we think that's too low, too high? Like the picture itself? Do we need to bring the pictures down?
Okay, you go back and I'll give you some comparison.
Alright.
Because how hard are you going to expand this?
Probably like that. Yeah, because I want them pretty okay. Close together.
Now you're talking here.
Oh, yeah.
You like that there? This other picture is kind of up.
I kind of like, okay, I think I like them up.
You like them up?
Yeah,
okay.
It's pretty
It's
cute.
It's going to be good with your light?
I think so. It's going to be, maybe it make my room look a little taller too.
Yeah.
Amen, let's do that.
Alright.
Alright. Thanks, Mom. Everyone say bye, Mom. Bye. I do like the height of the pictures, so we're going to keep it going. And I like that they were pretty close when she showed me, so. Woo! Your girl is... I'm going to the gym 2025. I ain't gonna hold you. I have a gym membership and it's like 40 something a month. I should be in shape. I'm gonna start going. I'm gonna really go this year. Okay, here we go. All right, so dang, I remember how far that was. Ow, I did it again. All right, let's try it. We're gonna try it. Life is about trials and errors. All the errors, make the errors, make the mistakes. And it's gonna be okay. Alright, so we got thumbtack number 2. And then the pictures are so light. Well, lighter. They're not like heavy, like, because this thing is real over here. This one's kind of light. So. Okay, okay. Wait, she's supposed to be in the middle. Y'all not helping at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I want her on this side. Okay, okay. I know these pictures are tired of me. We almost there. Almost there. I'm about to get me a tool belt after this one. Cause your girl out here, ooh, spoke too soon. Don't move. Don't you move. Alright, yeah, I definitely put it too close. No. Oh, no. Okay. One more time. One more time. I think I like it. I would have wanted it to be a little closer. Yeah, I wanted it to be a little closer, but you know what? This is okay. This is fine. This is fine. Let's do number 3. Okay. Y'all still here? Okay, cool. Cool, cool. Just making sure. Just making sure. Okay. Are y'all sweating? It's just me? It's just me? Okay. 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 I'm gonna come out again because last time it was too close. Then again, that might be. Okay. 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 I think it's a thingy right here. I can't get it in the wall. Okay. We in there. Woo! Let's go. Now imagine I would have drilled some holes or did the nail thing, would have messed it all up. This is why I be rigging stuff. I ain't gonna say what I usually say, but so I don't want them to try to cancel me. But I'm gonna trials and error it to the day I am not here. Oh, we were there until this one. I think this one a little higher. Oh no. Y'all, we were so close. Okay. Okay, just a little bit further down. Little bit. Just a smidge. Where's that shoe? Ooh. Don't you be looking? Cause a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Hey, it is still a little bit further up, but I don't think I'm that mad. Like, I don't think it's like that noticeable, you know? I don't know. So we are now going to add these to the top, like right above the pictures, for a little bit of extra spice. I do like that the options that you can, like, oh, don't look at me. I like that you can change the colors, like the color, I guess, like the tone of the light. So if you want to do like the light white tone, you can do more of like an orangish tone. And so you got like 3 options. And then if you want to make like a sensor, like once you go past the wall or something, you can like set that as well. I just want to keep them on and then turn them off when I want to. These came with remote controls as well. That's in the box. So yeah, you don't have to keep reaching up here and turning them off. You could just use a little light. And then I have like lights around my bed frame, so I like that as well. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look when I'm recording, like for content. So this one has the stickies. I'm about to say, don't be looking at me. This one has the stickies on the back, so I believe we just peel this off. And then you charge these as well with like a little cord, but I'm not sure what this does. But yeah, so we're gonna just stick them right above the pictures. Is that good? Is that good? Okay. We're gonna pray that they don't come off. And I don't think they will. Ow! Okay. Kind of want to make the light like bigger. I was feeling like it was gonna be bigger. You know what? I think we gotta move it. We're gonna move it. We're gonna move it. Oh, we can't move it. It's stuck. Oh, honey, it's on there. Ah! Oh. Cause like for reference, yeah, this is kind of. I was doing great until just this part. But like, see, okay, I wanted it like this instead of like that. Like you could barely see the light. You could see her. Don't get me wrong. But I wanted like more of like what's it called? Dang, what's the word? Every time I get on camera, I can't think of nothing. But dang it. Okay, hold on. There's always a way. There is no way. Okay, so you can apparently take that off. How you get this off? I promise you, if this ripped down my wallpaper, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry a little bit. It's like it's coming off, but it ain't. Oh, I'm about to cry. Ugh. Okay, cut, because I'm gonna cry. I'm really about to cry. Woo! Y'all, the amount of pressure I had to put on this thing, I thought the wallpaper was done for. Like, I really thought that was it. I'm like, yo, what the heck? This is literally the last piece of this puzzle on this wall. No, we've been doing great. We're not going to stop here. Although I do like that you could take this off so you could charge this piece and keep this on the wall. I was thinking on that part. How you put this back on is a question. And then these lights so sensitive, you know? They so sensitive. Alright, so this time, let's see what the light is going to look like before I even put it on the wall. Y'all don't mind me. Stop. Okay. Okay, so I don't like how tall that is, but you know what? I like the... Oh, I almost did it again. I like... What is this called? Somebody put it in the comments because it's about to make me mad. But the silhouette. The silhouette. The freaking silhouette. I like how that looks. So we're going to go with that. And then, yeah. Is that in the middle? Okay, I didn't really stick it because I just want to see what it look like. Don't fall, don't fall. Oh, I like it. Y'all like it? I like it. Oh, I like it. I think we did something. 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 Alright. Now let's fully press it down, so we don't get hit in the head while we sleeping. Alright, we got 2 more. So yep, just peel this off. This is going to be the longest installing video there ever was. I'm sorry, but y'all still there. Y'all still good. Anybody need a drink? Anything from the store? Okay. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I gotta stop. I need to actually start measuring. I'm gonna start measuring in 2026 because not this year. I'm not gonna do that. But I think it don't look that bad. I think we okay. Okay. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Oh, I am a fan now. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, while we're here, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Tiasia Cockrell. TikTok, Tiasia Cockrell. And YouTube, Tiasia Cockrell. That's me. That was about to be bad. But how do y'all feel about the TikTok situation? I just feel like, I don't know, people's true colors were showing like Britain. Britain, what's up? What do we do to y'all? Other countries, what? That's how we was all in a club together. Apparently not. Alright, last light. Straight across. In a club, real friend. Don't fall, don't fall. Please don't fall. Love. We did that, y'all. What did Dora say? Today, we learned how to install pictures with thumbtacks. We also learned how to measure without a measuring tape and to trial and error it down to the ground. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. TikTok, YouTube. I will see y'all next video. Bye. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all the finale for the final look. Period. All right, the lights are sensory. Come, there we go. How cute! Oh, I am in love. This really looks like you know how some people have like those brick basements and then they have like nice artwork downstairs. I'm getting that, and I really love it. Yeah.